Hello and welcome to day 6 of Mantras, Mudras, and Mindfulness. And today we're going to learn another mantra. And just like I shared on day 3 when we did a mantra practice, if the mantra, like the actual words, the vernacular that I've chosen doesn't resonate for you, you don't have to use it. You can pick your own affirming words and say those over and over again. Okay, so what I've chosen today are the words Om Shanti. And in Sanskrit, Om Shanti translates to peace. And for me, as I understand it, peace is wishing myself peace is the most compassionate thing I can do for myself when I say it, for my family, for the world around me, really. And we're in a place seasonally, October, November, December, like we're moving into that space where there is just a lot that happens, a lot that is asked of us, all of us, as far as holidays, events, memories, all of these things go that require a lot of compassion for us to give to ourselves and for us to give to others. So that's why I picked Om Shanti. And for our nervous system, there are studies that now you can read them. They all show as soon as we put ourselves into a compassionate state of mind, there is a stress response that happens. So it lowers our stress response. Okay? So Om Shanti. And then again, for our mind too, if we're in a place where we're experiencing pain, being kind to ourselves, creating compassion for ourselves, wishing peace for ourselves, it's a reminder that I am not my pain. I am not this pain. It's something I can observe and I'm separate from it. Okay, so sit up tall. And as you say the words, if you are choosing to say Om Shanti, you can say them out loud. You can say them in your mind. You can inhale Om, exhale Shanti. Take a breath in and out. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. And we keep going. Om Shanti. Coming back to it over and over again. Sense of peace cultivates self-compassion, inner calm. Om Shanti. palms to your forehead. Nama is name, stay is same. My name is your name. We are all the same. We bow forward together and say Namaste.